Hey Virgos, welcome back for your another reading for Jan 2022. Virgos, I can feel that few of my Virgos who are single is surely entering in new connection at this point of time, and if those who are already in a relation, Virgos, I can sense that you are trying to convince your partner for equal contribution in this connection, but somehow your partner seems like maybe you are giving more to this partner, and he or she is in receiving end more than in giving end. Okay, and you feel that your partner is kind of closed off. Okay, and is behaving in a very strange manner. He or she, if they were giving you previously full attention, compassion, the equal give and take type of energy you were experiencing with this partner before, then all of a sudden you felt that you are getting blocked by this partner. You are not receiving the same energy which you used to receive before. You are trying to understand your partner, and you are constantly offering your cup of affection to this person, and or this may go vice versa. Your person is putting more and you are receiving more from this person, and your input in this connection is not equal, I suppose. Because of that, your person is getting withdrawing from you and trying not investing as they used to before. So your outcome is like all of a sudden you two will, sorry for the interruption, I can sense that your outcome will be all of a sudden, unexpectedly, you two will communicate about your differences, about what is lacking in your connection, and again you two will put your energy together to mend this connection once again. And one of your partner or you, the vice versa, it could go vice versa, one of you will say or discuss or share that this is by only investing, I'm investing more, and this is kind of burden for me. I'm overburdened by inequality of our connection, so we need to sit and talk. So finally, after this beautiful conversation of some clarity will come, and this conversation will take place unexpectedly. Okay, all of a sudden you will sit for discussions, in a healthy discussion, and the outcome will be that you both will try to rectify and correct what was lacking and what is lacking in your connection. Regarding your health, Virgo, I can sense that few of my Virgos are doing work most of the time sitting in chairs or some and you are getting leg pains and back pain, I suppose. Some may have spondylitis, this problem, suffering from spondylitis. Okay, and regarding your career wise, I can sense that you need to be you need to be dedicated to your boss or your institution, and you need to be balanced. Okay,